This is Xboom, your source for the hottest in drone news. Today, let's talk about the underwater drones changing the game for dam inspections. Get to know the Fifish E-Master, an underwater drone that's changing the way inspections get done and making them safer, faster, and more efficient. Dams are very significant in the context of water management, hydroelectricity generation, and irrigation, and ensuring the integrity of them is essential. Traditional inspection methods, including divers, draining reservoirs, or heavy machinery usage, are costly, time consuming, and risky. The Fifish E-Master eliminates these challenges by providing an entirely remote, high accuracy underwater inspection system. Why then should you use the Fifish E-Master for inspections of dams? Firstly, it greatly boosts safety by doing away with human divers in perilous conditions. Secondly, it is economical since it does not require draining water or high costly inspection devices. Thirdly, it allows real-time transmission of data and analysis using artificial intelligence so that engineers are able to find and correct any structural problems accurately. Its six-thruster mechanism provides full 360-degree motion, ideal for inspecting walls, gates, turbines, and sediment deposits. This drone operates at 200 meters deep, allowing access to places that otherwise would be unattainable. It features a 4K UHD camera and an ultra-wide angle lens of 166 degrees capturing crystal clear photos and videos for detailed study. For viewing even in dark waters, it features two 5000 lumen LEDs, providing a combined total of 10,000 lumens for uniform illumination. Fifish E-Master is built to last for a long time, with two batteries of 69.12 watt capacity, making it possible to use it for a long period during inspections. It comes equipped with a 200-meter manual waterproof spool tether, allowing safe communication and uninterrupted data transfer even at extreme depths. It also comes with a 128 GB SD card with storage capacity for high-definition images and video logs. In addition to imaging, the Fifish E-Master features 2x extensible Q interfaces, allowing for various add-on possibilities such as laser scalers, water quality sensors, and robotic arms. These attributes make it an optimal instrument to identify cracks, erosions, sediment accumulation, and turbine wear in order to enable preventive maintenance on dam structures. With dam safety and infrastructure upkeep becoming more of a concern, the Fifish E-Master is an underwater inspection revolution. It offers a neat, accurate, and reliable replacement for traditional method of inspection, enabling engineers and water control authorities to keep dam intact with ease. For the best prices for Fifish E-Master, visit www.xboom.in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more emerging drone technology news. Until next one, bye.